Please help me find Pip.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do.
Cool, right? That was all done by AI. Let me tell you, I got this comment from the Sagar75 asking me to do a video about Final Galaxy. Final Galaxy is a channel with over 8 million subscribers and with billions of views. They create these Marvel and DC AI superhero stories. So let's get started ourselves now. The first thing I tried was Google's AI Studio with the Gemini 2.0 Flash Image Generation Experimental. I asked this, "Hello, I want you to give me the illustrations to create a story like this one. Please give me enough images and be sure to be consistent in the image style, characters, etc. Good luck." And I added a shorts link from Final Galaxy. But look at the result. It gave me millions of images, but there was no story. I mean, it is very cool that it detected the video and tried to recreate it, but this is not usable. So I changed the question like this. Okay, yeah, instead of generating the images, please give me image prompts for the entire story, so I can use it in another AI image generator. And please come up with a good story, because the stuff you generated is useless. And be inspired again by the video link I provided you in the beginning. And now we got 10 perfect prompts we can use in any AI image generator. I will use Leonardo AI. It is free, good, and you get daily 150 credits. Add the prompt and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and generate the images. Here are the images. Add them to CapCut. Oh, and in the CapCut settings, I will set the image duration to 2 seconds. Put the in chronological order so it fits the story. Now we will go to 11 Labs, choose a voice and generate some text-to-speech that would fit to the story.
Please help me find Pip.
Next up, we will also get some sound effects from YouTube. Now add some background music from the YouTube audio library. Generate the captions and choose a nice template. Add transitions. Add some filters. Add a watermark. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own superhero stories with AI and go mega viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Please help me find Pip.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. What? They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous. But I don't give a fuck, I keep chasing. I got all this potential.
Thank you so much.
But